be said also. I know a guy.
Yeah.
Well, if Stephen was up here, he'd show you how fast that mill runs.
Yeah.
I got a bad knee, so I have to kind of hobble around.
That big stack of lumber next to where we cut the 2x4s, I was here the day he cut it.
Yeah, it's beautiful to watch.
Well, he sat here and went, alright, I can get 3 2x6s, 8 2x4s, and the 4x4. Just leave it all there. He cut the whole tree, and then he sat there. I mean, he could have basically sat there waiting on us to take it off. But it was like he can cut faster if we just wait until he's got the whole thing cut. And we got it. And he could tell before I could that the blade was getting ready to start getting wavy.
Yeah. There's some stuff
So
that
that's what I was
good about with that. Like,
it gets a little
experience.
drop.
I mean, experience is so important. That's why I'm
Yeah,
glad
I'm
we're
on that
bringing back
too.
more
What's he
apprenticeship.
putting in there?
The royal jelly.
Well, just they put it in there, and just touch the bottom of it.
Humans learn
You see it, I don't know if you see it in there or not, like that. And that way you scoop the egg off in there.
Still, you watch and then apply.
I looked at going more natural.
What's the royal jelly do?
It helps, it primes the shell, it helps hold the larvae in there, and gets them a start.
Trade school for horticulture.
Yes.
The old
That's-
beekeepers
yeah.
used to scoop
So I was
it
gonna
out of
ask
the
you if that's what you
frames,
did, if you had, like,
but
a degree
if you
in
do it on a
something
large
that-
scale,
I know
it's
it's
hard.
cheaper time-wise just to buy a small. You can buy 2 ounces and it'll last you a long time.
One of your videos says 5,000 queens. You said an ounce or two.
I got my job at the farm doing it, but they had bees. And I watched a few times and they said, hey, we're going to this class. We were trying to take myself to the class.
Yeah.
And I started keeping bees and they're like, man, we lost all 6 of our hives this year. How many did you lose?
If I don't put that lid on there, I'll be spilling that. I've done it before.
I actually gained one, but
Right.
because I caught a swarm.
Yeah.
And I said, okay, you're taking over the bees and then down here, so.
Yeah.
The main thing is have that light right over your
Yeah.
frame.
This past winter, so I'm not going backwards.
Yeah.
100%
That
bees.
sucks. I mean, the world is going
You
that
see
way.
that?
People are starting to resonate and
You
want to
see
use their
there,
business
that-
to people
that's the size I
and
like.
care about them and aren't just chasing their
Okay.
dollars.
You
Don't
see
think
that?
I'm picking on you.
And then
Ask
you're gonna,
Jim. I censored him coming up. I
And it goes into,
give him 5 chances to change his mind.
you just
Yeah.
scoop it off.
Yeah, he did it 3 times before I gave him the money. And
You
then
see it in the
Drop
cut
right
there.
down. I
See it's
can
gonna lay.
see it there now.
What you do, you get your needle right up under.
Or no, I'm
You
gonna
pick
throw
it up in the middle
I'm gonna throw
and
it.
scoop it off
Oh,
down
yeah.
in there. If you catch her by the
Because I
side,
could
sometimes
see
you'll match her.
It was a lot of
Okay.
hard work, but I mean, honestly, this is.
Well, you
it's
have to
different
have that
than
light,
Pacific,
see.
but it's
Yeah, you have to have a
different
light.
than Working on a farm, it's a lot of hard work every single day.
This pays more by the hour, huh?
A lot more. Oh yeah, that hourly mentality. More write a book called The Hourly Mentality and How to Beat It.
I see a chiropractor and they actually noticed a difference when I started doing stuff with the bees.